Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on through the Kingston Wharf area. On the left you can see a lot of food stores. The wharf is a very busy place. Thousands of people work down here. Now straight ahead is the main entrance to the wharf. So if you are going to clear goods like a container or something, you would use this entrance. They have other warehouse facilities, like if it's just a barrel you probably wouldn't go into the main wharf. You would go to like a bonded warehouse. If it's a pallet you go to another section, but that's the main entrance to the wharf. On the left is the Kingport building, which is one of the main administrative buildings for the wharf. So entire to the left of us now, that is, we say Kingston the wharf, but the name of the port is actually the Kingston Container Terminal, and that's the largest port in Jamaica, and it's also the largest port in the English-speaking Caribbean. So the official name is the Kingston Container Terminal, and that is it on the left, and that's where the ships dock and the goods are loaded and unloaded. The containers come on and off. As you know, this is a very busy place, and with everywhere in Jamaica you have indiscipline, because these cars that are parked on the left are not supposed to be parked there. See, this container has to maneuver because this is not how it's supposed to be. And there was a time, and I'm asking the subscribers or persons that watch the channel, when did it change that you can park on a yellow line? Because they must have changed the rule, because everywhere you look all along this stretch is a yellow line, and I'm not sure when they changed it, but they must have changed it because everybody does it. In New Kingston, yellow line, people park there all over the country. I used to know the yellow line to mean you do not park, but somewhere, somehow it must have changed, or they just stop enforcing the rules on those lines. Alright, right, so this is where the majority of the goods come in. You also have a lot of outside of the actual wharf now where the goods come in, you have all those companies and services that you need for the wharf to work. Like you see all these flatbeds, you have the custom brokers, you have the customs freight brokers, brokers that clear the goods, you have persons where you can rent these trailer heads, you have everything down to the restaurants that you saw at the beginning of the video. Everything you need for the wharf to operate, everything you need to ship something, to clear something, to collect goods. You have a lot of trucks that you can hire to haul your goods from the wharf to your home or your business place. Everything you'll find right here. And you also have a lot of warehouses, so that when the containers come off, they just bring them to the warehouse that's located in the area, and they just store the goods here. This is another look at the Kingston Wharf Limited. This is just another warehouse where you can go to clear goods. So if it's a container, you have a certain section that deals with that. But if it's just like a pallet or a barrel, you can come to a warehouse like the one we just passed, and it's much easier to get the goods there, because you have different berths where different things are done. Like you have one for barrels, you have one for small pallets, you have one for larger shipments. It's a very organized area. Can be chaotic at times, but alright, so we're now driving out of the wharf area and going back on to Marcus Garvey Drive. So if we turn left here now, we take Marcus Garvey Drive and go towards the Portmore Expressway or Hagley Park Road. But if we go right, we take Marcus Garvey Drive and head towards downtown Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.